What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I want to show you what this carbon fiber looks like outside, because I took it outside and I'm just like, you know what, you guys can get the full effect of it on the inside of the garage or of the shop. So let's have a look at it out here. So the satin black hood. And let's check out the mirrors, because the mirrors really show it off in the sunlight now that they're in the sun. Pretty wild, right? Let's check out the spoiler. This is really super sick. Hopefully you guys can see that. It looks freaking phenomenal. Let's see if we can catch the diffuser in here a little bit. Not quite the same amount of sun, but more natural lighting. It's a little dark down here, so you can't really see those that well. Let's check out the mirror on this side too. And there's the real carbon fiber on the hood, which looks very close to the real thing. As far as the vinyl goes, it looks really close. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you what this thing looked like outside, because natural lighting and indoor lighting are always going to be totally different. So guys, I hope you like it. Again, I wanted to show you what it looked like outside. Again, a link to this product in the description below. And that's it. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Take care.